VF Corporation, as a global company, files income tax returns in over 100 domestic and foreign jurisdictions each year. Most of these jurisdictions have lower tax rates than the U.S. Managing taxes across so many countries involves navigating complex laws and regular audits. VF evaluates all tax positions using this more likely than not standard, meaning they only recognize tax benefits they believe have a greater than 50% chance of holding up under review. The company also holds significant deferred tax assets, $115 million related to operating and capital loss carryforwards. These assets depend on VF's ability to generate future taxable income in specific regions. Fiscal year 2014, income before income taxes, $1.4 billion. Income taxes, $0.3 billion. Effective tax rate, 22.5%. International tax rate, 12.7%. Fiscal year 2015 income before income taxes, $1.6 billion. Income taxes, $0.3 billion. Effective tax rate, 22.1%. Fiscal year 2016 income from continuing operations before income taxes, $1.4 billion. Income taxes, $0.2 billion. Effective tax rate, 17.2%. International tax rate, 10.7%. Fiscal year 2017, income from continuing operations before income taxes, $1.4 billion. Income taxes, $0.7 billion. Effective tax rate, 49.1%. International tax rate, 13.1%. The significant increase in the tax rate is primarily due to discrete tax expenses related to the Tax Act. Fiscal year ended March 2019. Income from continuing operations before income taxes, $1.5 billion. Income taxes, $0.3 billion. Effective tax rate, 17.6%. International effective tax rate, 11.6%. Fiscal year ended March 2020. Income from continuing operations before income taxes, $727.2 million. Income taxes, $98.1 million. Effective tax rate, 13.5%. International effective tax rate, 15.6%. Fiscal year ended March 2021. Income from continuing operations before income taxes, $456.5 million. Income taxes, $101.6 million. Effective tax rate, 22.3%. International effective tax rate, 14.7%. Fiscal year ended March 2022. Income from continuing operations before income taxes, $1,523.3 million. Income tax expense, $307 million. Effective tax rate, 20.2%. Fiscal year ended March 2023. Income from continuing operations before income taxes, $43.3 million. Income tax benefit, $75.3 million. Effective tax rate, negative 174%. The fiscal 2023 effective tax rate was significantly impacted by IRS examinations for tax year 2017 and short tax year 2018. Fiscal year ended March 2024. Income from continuing operations before income taxes, negative $233.7 million. Income tax expense, $735.2 million. Effective tax rate, 314.6%. The fiscal 2024 effective tax rate was significantly impacted by tax effects of decisions in the Timberland tax case, Belgium excess profits ruling. Over the past decade, VF Corporation's average effective tax rate was approximately 23%, compared to the average U.S. corporate tax rate of 21%. While VF's pre-tax income has demonstrated overall stability, the one-time tax effects, such as the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act and Swiss tax reform, created significant fluctuations in certain years. It is important to see that management does not try to trick the IRS with taxes. This kind of transparency builds trust and reliability for investors. In the next video, we will analyze VF Corporation's net earnings and their long-term performance. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell